So I think I'm gonna have to start packing soon, but I'm gonna clean the room, do a dorm tour, and then pack. Hello everyone, so I am about to move out in a few hours, so I figure what better time than now to do my dorm room tour. Yay! So I will be doing my dorm room tour and giving you guys a look at my room, which is in Rebekah Hall at Agnes Scott College. So let's get started.
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat, highest floor of the Bowery, and I was high enough. There along the lines, stopped seeing eye to eye, we were staying out all night, and I had enough. No, I don't wanna know where you've been.
And then when you turn to this side, you can see the little bag area, and what I have right here is just my storage bin, and I also have my bag that I used to bring to my internship, my backpack, which is this Herschel one. If you guys remember, I had this one for freshman year, which I still have and I still use. Still use this one if I need to be bringing a lot of stuff, but on a daily basis I now use this Herschel one, and it's just this black, I think it's the mid-size volume one, and I just have this little poof on it. So yeah, this is my backpack, this is my work bag, backpack, and my other backpack, and I just keep them all right here. And then in this little storage container, I have like cleaning supplies and like the weirdest things in here. I have Pepto, I have a spritz bottle, and little stuff like that. And right next to that, I have my Uggs, which I wear in the winter time. I always just put them on if I'm going to the dining hall or something, and I just need to put on some quick shoes. On the wall, if you guys remember from my last dorm room tour, I had these these gold frames from the dollar store, and as you can see, this one is kind of falling apart just a little bit, but still cute. So the first one says, "Don't be so hard on yourself," and the other one is just a picture of like a pink moon thing. Two things I have on here, I have these two little bins, and I use this for like kitchen supplies, so it's honestly gonna be a hot mess, but a bunch of little kitchen supplies in here, and then it's honestly worse in here, but I'm gonna give you a little peek. Ketchup, seasoning, that's it. Alright, so if you come down here, I have my Brita filter, and I have my electric kettle, and then I have my favorite books down here. So these are just some of the books I brought with me from home, and this one is usually more full, but I have some of my books on my bedside table, if you can see that right there. So for now, these are just the books I have here that I'm not currently reading. I have a mini fridge. This is also my roommate's mini fridge, but it's just on my side just because I have a longer wall right here. Yes, so on top of the mini fridge, I have this extra little bin thing that I keep extra little cooking supplies and other things in. I honestly wanted like a more covered bin, but I got too lazy to actually like get something that was cuter, but for now it works. And we move on to over here, this is the only little dresser thing that we get in the room, and on here I have a bunch of like supplies and stuff. I have my two go-to bags. I wanted to hang these up, but I didn't get a chance to, so I just kind of leave them on here. Then as you can see, I have my favorite perfume and face wash and all these other things on here, just a bunch of stuff. And I recently got my Scotty ring, so it's in this thing. Yeah, so in here I have all my clothes and stuff. The top drawer I just have pajamas and like undies, and then these I have all my nicer tops in this one. I actually can give you guys a peek because I think it's actually kind of organized. I have all my tops in here. The drawer goes pretty deep, so I just kind of roll everything up and keep them in there. And then this one is kind of filled to the rim because these are all my bottoms and jeans that don't need to be hung up. So I have a lot of stuff in here. On to my favorite section. So this rug I got from Wally's World. I got it from Walmart. I got it from Walmart for like 60 bucks. I think it is a 6 by something rug. I don't remember, but I remember 6 by something. And then over here I have my pots and pans in here because we have a kitchen in the communal area. I have a box of snacks under there, and I have some blue bins that I keep like extra stuff that I don't get to use too much. Earlier this semester I won some stuff from Or Grocery Bingo, so I have a bunch of stuff under there. I usually try to keep under there pretty empty, but I didn't have anywhere else to put the stuff, so I put them in here. And then in here I have the storage ottoman that I had from my freshman year, and it just has Tupperware in there. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of the decor that's at my bed. So let's get started with the bed. So if you guys remember from my previous dorm tour, I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's honestly so soft, and I think it's one of my favorite things that I got for my room. It's the nicest. I'm surprised it's still white because I spill things all the time, but it washes pretty easily actually. And I just put that here, and I sleep with it on the bed. My tapestry is from Amazon. I'll link it because it was really inexpensive, and it's really big, and I really like the colors on it. It really tied in with the idea that I had for my room. So I think it was like $12 from Amazon, and trust me, it is so worth it. Now moving on to my bedding. I got this bedding from not Bed Bath & Beyond, but TJ Maxx actually. I just got it in their little section where they have their when they were having their dorm sale, and I think this was like $32, which is really good because it's really thick and really comfy. And then I have this that I got from Walmart, this like nice plush white pillow. This one I got from TJ Maxx as well when they were having their college sale. This one, this Scotty dog, I got my freshman year, and everyone has one, and I love it. I don't think I named him yet, but very cute, obsessed. Say hello. Hi, Scotty dog. I'm weird. And then up here is my little DIY thing, and I think it turned out so good. I just taped these fake vines up with tape, with white tape. Vines I got from Amazon, and I got them in a pack of 10. No, I got them for like $10, and they came with a lot because I ended up getting to use some of them for this wall thing. And I actually gave some of them to my friends, so it ended up having a lot in there. And under that I just have my little framed photo that I got from the thrift store, and that was like $2 and was really affordable, and I really liked the way this turned out. If you also remember, I have this star wall decor thing that I had from last year, and I still had some stars left, so I just kind of put it on there, under there, to give a little bit of that gold accent coming out, because as you can see, like I have gold running through the room, and that was kind of my accent color. So on my bedside table, this is actually a bedside table, it's just connected to the larger desk. On the bedside table I have my phone, which is usually here, and I have a little notebook if I feel like I need to write something before I go to bed sometimes. And then I have some books that I'm currently reading. So I'm reading I Will Teach You to Be Rich, which is from a financial literacy display that I did at the library, because if you don't know, I am a student librarian. And then I have a bunch of other books that I'm reading. This one is Listening is an Act of Love, which I really love. I'm an intern at StoryCorps, so I was reading this to kind of get familiar with the workplace. So yeah, those are the books that I'm currently reading, and it's 4:43. If you guys don't know, because of this coronavirus thing, I am currently packing up my room. So I just really wanted to show you guys what my room looked like before I take everything down. So it's kind of late in the day. So it's 4:43. I have this diffuser that I got from Amazon as well. This was also really expensive. Really inexpensive. I got it for $15, and it works amazing. If you don't know, my room is huge. It's very big for a dorm room, and it actually makes the whole room smell really nice. So I think it's worth every penny. Right here I have my little plant collection. If you don't know, I'm a plant mom. So I have this one that I got for moving in, and then I got these two from the library. I got them as a gift. We just got them as gifts, so I thought that was really nice. So I have two of those. This one is kind of dying, but I'm slowly reviving her, so it's okay. And then this I've had from last year as well, and it says Or Adventure Fund, and of course I don't really use cash or coins, so I don't put anything in there. moving on. So if you guys can see, I have photos of me and my friends right here. This is a photo from freshman year with all of us, and then I have a photo of me and my roommate right here where we went to a casino night. I have this lamp is from Walmart, and I got it last year from my previous room, and it still works great and I love it. This is my computer. You guys have probably seen this a couple times. I've gotten questions on where I got the case from. Almost everything in my life is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. It was really inexpensive as well, and I can link it down below for you guys. This vase is from the dollar store, and yeah, it was from the dollar store. It's really good. I got these flowers from the dollar store as well. This I got from the thrift store, and it's just a little mug thing, and it has all my makeup brushes in here. Now back here I have the soda that I made at a paint and sip last year, and then I have my makeup collection. So I just started using this beauty blender foundation. As you can see, it's really messy, but I really love this. These are the two face serums I use every night. So I have tea tree oil, which is really good for pimples, and then I also have rosehip oil, which is really good if you have like hyperpigmentation or you just have any sort of texture. It's really good for moisturizing. Now I have the spray because I use this to wet my beauty blender, and I also use it to water my plants. And then I just have the box that my foundation came in, some palettes and powder and Carmex because that's just my daily routine. And then of course I have my mirror, which you can see me. Hello. You can see me there. And then I have my makeup case if I need to like bring makeup anywhere with me. Okay, right here I usually keep my camera bag, so I'll just put the camera in here. And then right here I have my iPad. Yeah, so it's just the iPad that I use if I need to do something or if I need to work on something that I can't work on with my computer. So that's that. And then here is my 90s wall. I absolutely adore this wall. I've always wanted a 90s wall with like all your favorite shows and everything on there, and I just love every second of it. So if you guys remember, I got this, if you watched my previous vlog from early in the year, I got this caricature drew of me, and I thought it was perfect to do a little frame thing on there. So I have some of my favorite shows. That's So Raven, Boy Meets World, Hamilton, That 70s Show, Beverly Hills 90210, Hamilton again. This is from Hercules, Boy Meets World, and just a few of my favorite prints, and of course Legally Blonde and Clueless. So yeah, honestly this wall DIY has kept me so happy because if you can see, it's like right across my bed. So every night before I go to sleep, I get to see my favorite characters, which I love, and I get to just like feel like surrounded by love, and I feel like it's so me. Okay, now on this wall I have my schedule for this semester, and then I also have this little DIY thing that I made. I made this, and it says, I am blessed, I am kind, I have good intentions, I have good intuition, I love people, and the universe has big plans for me. So I just think that's really sweet that I can look up there and kind of remember my truths, and always think about that and always try to live like that. So yeah, so I really love that I made that. And then also I have a little DIY here. Don't mind me, I'm looking a little crusty because I had an interview today and I was also wearing this from the top up. So yeah, so this DIY thing that I did, we have a little thing in the middle separating the two sides of our room. And I'm not gonna show my roommate's side, but oh, the vent just came on. So I have this gold mirror right here so that we can check out our outfits and stuff and have just look cute and check out our outfits. And then I put like this little thing around the corners. You guys can see me do this in my DIY video. Alrighty then, so now I'm going to show you guys what's inside of my drawers. I actually just went through and cleaned this out, so it's actually pretty organized. In here, as you can see, the drawers are very deep in this building. This is my Get Fit Done, and it is a food tracker. I don't really use this as much, to be honest. I used it a lot last summer. I have thank you cards, which is so important if you're in college to have thank you cards. I just got these from the dollar store. And I have my journal, I have my planner, my bullet journal, and I have another journal because I'm honestly obsessed with journals. And then I have my Spanish book because if you don't know, I'm a Spanish minor. And then also I have this pad folio that we get from Agnes. So if I have to do something for my job, I'll usually do that, use it to do that. Okay, so next we're going to the closet. All right. So one thing that I love about my college is that our closets are actually pretty big. If you can see this, I have a lot of space, and it is like a walk-in closet situation. One thing that's out of the norm is that usually I have my hamper right here, but because I have to pack and leave soon, I actually have to wash all my clothes, so it's currently in the laundry room. Let's get into it. So on the side right here, I have a little hook, and I have my robe on here. I'm such a robe girl. I'm always in my robe here because I love to be comfy, so I just always make sure I have that. I have this little organizer thing. I have a bunch of scarves in here because it's been cold this winter, so I always try to have scarves. Then I have beanies. This beanie I got from the school. I have some other beanies in here. As you can see, I have these felt hangers that I got from TJ Maxx and Ross, and they're all just black felt hangers, and I think it makes it look really cute. At the bottom I have a story kit from StoryCorps because that's where I have my internship, and then I have my storage, my shower caddy thing, and I just have shower stuff in here, and I always hook it up right here when I get out of the shower. How I organize everything is I have all my outerwear towards this side, so everything right here is just like jackets, blazers, and my leather jacket, my faux leather jacket I should say. And then I have like things that need to be hung up, so like dresses and blouses in here. And then under here I have my little shoe rack. I got the shoe rack from Walmart, and I have an umbrella back there. And then right here I have this little rug that I got from freshman year last year, and I just didn't have anywhere to put it, so I just put it in here because it's nice and it's cozy. And then to the side I have my towels hung up for when I need to go take a shower. I can just grab it off and use it. And then at the top right here I just have some storage, so obviously I have cleaning supplies and I have Tide Pods and other stuff in here. I can give you guys a little sneak peek, Tide Pods and stuff. And then I have some extra towels up there and other miscellaneous items. And then right here I have my carry-on bag, so if I need to bring this somewhere, like if I'm going for a weekend trip, I always use that. And then I have an extra umbrella because it's been raining a lot in Georgia. Okay guys, so I'm so happy I got to show you guys my dorm room tour. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so sad that I had to move out under these really bad circumstances, but I really enjoyed living in Rebekah. It's been my favorite place that I live on campus so far, and honestly it's been amazing. But yeah, I gotta move out now, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.